Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix grounded 2 and Unreal process has crashed UE-Augusta or GPU crash dump triggered error grounded 2 WinGRTS shipping error on PC. So let's jump to this solution. First solution is to run gaming services repair tool. To do so, go to this website. Click on downloadable version, scroll down, then click on download the gaming services repair tool for PC. Now double click the gaming repair tool exe file to launch it. Click yes to allow. This might take several minutes, so just wait. Now once you see completed successfully message, then you can close it and launch the game and check whether your problem is fixed or not. Here also make sure that you have Xbox app on your PC. If you do not have Xbox app installed on your PC, then type Microsoft Store in Windows search and open it. Here search for Xbox app. Install the Xbox app from here on your PC, and then you can perform this process and then launch the game and check. Now let's jump to the second solution. Second solution is to modify the game launch option. To do so, open Steam, right click on grounded 2 game. This is just an example. I don't have the grounded 2 game, so this is just an example. You have to right click on grounded 2 game and select properties. In the launch option, type -dx11, close the tab and then launch the game and check. This has helped many players to fix this issue. If that doesn't work, then again go to the property section and then type -dx12, then close the tab and launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then remove this command and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Third solution is to verify game files. Again open Steam. This is just an example. Go to library, right click on grounded 2 game, select properties, go to install files tabs and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification, you can launch the game and check. Fourth solution is to disable Steam Cloud and delete Augusta folder. Again open Steam and go to library, right click on grounded 2 game and select properties. Then in general tab, turn off Steam Cloud option. Then navigate to C drive, users folder, your username folder, app data. If you don't see app data folder, then click on view. When you will click on view, then in the drop down you will see show hidden items. So tick mark the hidden items and then open app data folder, local folder and delete Augusta folder. Now launch the game and at the launch select login only with Steam. This has also solved the issue for many users, so it might help for you also. Fifth solution is to disable crossplay. First of all, you have to disable your internet connection and then launch the game and wait for the game to launch you to menu option. It will sit on the login screen for a few minutes, but eventually it will time out. Then you can go to the options, game, scroll all the way to the bottom and disable crossplay. Now you can launch the game and check your problem is fixed or not. Sixth solution is to update graphic card driver. So simply update your graphic card driver and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. To do so, visit AMD website if you have AMD graphic card driver. Visit NVIDIA website if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver. Visit Intel website if you have Intel graphic card driver. Links are given in video description. So I am showing the example of this NVIDIA graphic card driver. Now once you are on NVIDIA graphic card driver, here do the manual driver search, select the model number, and then click on find. You have to select your graphic card model number over here. I am selecting mine, but you have to select your graphic card model number here, and then click on find, then click on view, then click on download. And when this get downloaded, then you can run this exe file and perform a clean installation of a graphic card driver. And after performing a clean installation of graphic card driver, you can launch the game and check. So by this way you can fix this error: an Unreal process has crashed, UE-Augusta, a GPU crashed, dump triggered, grounded to WinGRTS shipping error on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.